Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 meme coins by market cap. We're going to start with first NEIRO on Ethereum, followed by GOAT, BOME, BabyDoge, Meme, Dogs, PONKE, SPX, Turbo, and then with the GIGA at number 10. Let's get straight into it. NEIRO against USD. Here we are for NEIRO. Does this look like a bullish continuation? Not really. Does it? Falling channel. We rose higher. Not really though. Again, not too sure what's happening over here for NEIRO, but if and when the fall comes, we're anticipating NEIRO to drop back to 0.001. Right now at 0.0016. So in my opinion, right, meme coins are the coins to be in because they're super volatile towards the upside and very likely towards the downside as well when the time comes. So yeah, but anyway, nothing much for NEIRO. First, NEIRO on Ethereum. GOAT's use Maximus. GOAT against USD. Nothing much for GOAT. It's too random. Too random. Book of Memes. Okay, so if you look at Book of Memes, right? Book of Memes is here right now. So the question you want to ask is this an inverse head and shoulders? Yeah, sure, of course. You can call this an inverse head and shoulders. But at the same time, there are challenges, right? There are resistances all over the place. One over here, and yeah, it could be clearer, once we can clear this resistance. But anyway, there's also some support at around, I would say 6 to 7 cents. Yeah, around this area, right? So the price is either going to drop down first before heading higher, or yeah, there's also that fear that Book of Memes might do something like this and drop even lower. But as it stands, this is actually a falling channel. Falling channels are bullish continuation chart pattern. So the potential for Book of Memes to hit higher is much higher compared to dropping lower. So yeah, but anyway, it's not really that obvious yet. So nothing much for us to do for Book of Meme. BabyDoge. BabyDoge. Okay, so for BabyDoge, I think we've mentioned this before. We have two mega gigantic targets towards the upside. The 1, 2, 3 and 26,000. 12,300 and 26,000. This is on gate. Right now we're at 2,500. So once we hit target number 1, this will be a 300% move. And after that, a 900%. This is absolute bananas. This is a huge accumulation that's coming for BabyDoge coin. But the question is this the time that we're gonna break out for BabyDoge? Is this a year? Yeah, we don't know. We thought that this could already be the year. Yes, come on, let's go. Yeah, but no, we dropped. Yes, I was. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. So eventually, if and when it breaks, these are the two targets that we have for BabyDoge coin. But the question is, when are we breaking? When BabyDoge coin? When meme coin against USDT? Here we are for meme. Oh, meme, we have a target over here, 0.007. We're still loyal to our target. We still think that this will eventually turn into a bearish continuation chart pattern towards the downside. So if you look over here, yeah, it's not good. Yeah, I think it's heading lower. So more likely than not, 0.007 will be it, because it's a very high quality head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Very likely. So yeah, this is a continuation, bearish continuation chart pattern towards the downside. Dogs against USD. Here we are for dogs. Anything for us to work with? No. Support line, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, bam! We slam down. Right. Again, you will find another mountain range over here before we headed lower. Right. Rising channel, pump. So if anything, I think dogs is heading lower. But we're not too sure how much lower dogs is going to go. PONKE. So for PONKE against USD, we look at it on gate. Here we are for PONKE. Okay, so previously we had a target for PONKE. Why? Because it was an inverse head and shoulders. Broke out, but we broke back down. Cleared all the classes of cells over here. Right. And yeah, we dropped even lower after that. Any signs of a bullish reversal? No. So for us, once you break back down under the support, or once you clear these lows, right? Yeah, that's it. It's gone. So the target is no longer valid for PONKE. Anything for us to work with? Nope, nothing much. SPX 6009. Okay, wait. For this, we have to look at it on DEX tools. So for SPX 6009, there was a something like a cup and handle, kind of a chart pattern over here. Something like that, cup and handle. Bam! We blasted off, right? And right now, we are getting a rising wedge, rising channel. I still suspect we're going to be taking out these highs though. Probably getting something like a higher high over here. Right, we might even go all the way to $2 though. But again, nothing much for us to work with. So yeah, it's it's done a lot. So in any case, yeah, there's, you know, from a trading standpoint, nothing much for SPX. Turbo against USD. Here we are for Turbo. So for Turbo, let's look at it on Git. Turbo has done tremendously. Right, from where it fell. It fell here. Not exactly high quality, but something like that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Something like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Bullish reversal. And then what happens? Bam! Broke out. Came back down. Bam! Continue higher. Bam! Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with the bullish bias. So more likely than not, a little bit more upside for Turbo. If I had to guess, right, we're probably heading towards 2 cents. 2 freaking cents. So as it stands, yeah, again, we're not too sure over here. If things fall all the way back down, right, of course, this could become a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So as it stands, it's still unclear. So yeah, nothing much for Turbo. Not at this point of time. GIGA against USD. Here we are for GIGA. Anything for GIGA? Let's look at GIGA here. GIGA chat. Alright, this is GIGA chat. GIGA chat on Sol. Is it 5 cents? Yes. 5.5 cents. Yeah, we've done tremendously for GIGA. Right, it's already up like, what is this? 400,000%. This is bananas. 4,000x. If you had 1,000 over here, you have 4 million at the very top. So this is where GIGA is at the moment. You can see that the whales have started taking profits over here at around 1 cent. Yeah, spikes everywhere. Again, there's another spike over here. 5 cents, 1 cent, 5 cents. Yeah, I would preach caution about going in for GIGA chat. It's really done 4,000x. So if anything, I would say wait for a retrace first before doing anything for GIGA chat. So as it stands, yeah, nope. And the market cap is already almost 1B. It's half a billy. Again, as I was saying, you know, meme coins are very volatile towards the upside and very likely towards the downside as well. But it needs to be shortable. For GIGA, I don't think there is a, yeah, it's not shortable anywhere. So it's a long only coin. So yeah, nothing much for us to do for GIGA. Alright, I guess that's it for today's top 20 meme coins. And there's some potentials here and there, but again, nothing as solid as the first 10 that we saw yesterday. So check it out if you haven't yet. See you in the next one. Ta-da!